Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a footer to your website. A footer is a consistent section that appears at the bottom of your pages, and it's a great place to include information you want available across your site, such as contact details, copyright information, or social media icons. Let's begin by scrolling all the way down. Click Add a Footer and choose a template. We'll select Columns 3. Now let's edit the content. Click the pen icon next to the logo, select Add Element, and choose Short Text. Double-click the text to edit it, and we'll enter Photographer/Art Director. Next, click the pen icon next to the sample links to the right and open Styles. We'll switch the layout to vertical instead of horizontal and align the links to the right. Now, let's edit the links themselves. Double-click to open the content editor. We'll start by renaming the link Services. Click the link and edit its title. We'll click the first link and choose the destination. We'll select an existing page and select our work page in the list. Next, link About to the About page and Contact to the Contact page. We'll also create a new link. Click Add New Link, name it Legal Notices, and choose Link To, then select a new page. Select a text page template. Keep the same title and click Create Page to confirm. Now, let's style the footer logo. Instead of adjusting it manually, we'll reuse the styles from the logo in our main menu. Scroll up to the menu, click the pen icon next to the logo, open Styles, and click Copy. Scroll back down, click the pen icon next to the footer logo, open Styles, and click Paste. We'll reduce the font size of the subtitle so it fits neatly under the logo. Open Styles again, and decrease the font size. Next, let's align all elements at the top of the footer. Click Edit Section, go to Styles, and click Align Top. Now let's change the background color of the footer. We'll click Edit Section, select Styles. Click the background field and select White. If we would change the background color of the website, the footer will not be affected since we just selected a specific background color which prevail over the global settings. Let's see how everything looks like. Switch to Mobile View. Before we finish, we'll show you how to hide the footer on specific pages. Go to Edit. Under Edit Pages, click Your Pages, and in the list, select Settings next to any page. Enable Hide the Footer on this page, confirm and reload. As you can see, the footer is now hidden. That wraps up our guide on adding and customizing your website's footer. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming tutorials. In the next video, we'll walk you through site settings and SEO.